everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Apps Academy. Today in this video, I'm back with another Uber application tutorial and we are gonna learn how to add a stop on your Uber ride. Before you request a ride, it is a good idea to decide if you'll need to make an extra stop. Planning it in advance helps make the trip smoother for both you and your driver. So in order to add a stop on Uber, first of all, open up the Uber app on your device and go to the Where To tab at the top of the screen to enter your destination. Now, once you're inside this Plan Your Trip option, before typing in your destination, click on the plus button on the right corner and then select your stop from the map. You can choose your stop from the map displayed on the screen and make sure to drop a pin on the area where you want to make a quick stop on. And once you do that, click on Confirm Stop at the bottom. Now you will be able to see that a stop has been added on the page. You can add multiple stops. You can add up to several stops depending on your city. Some market allows up to 5 extra stops. Once you've added all the stops, you can then add your destination at last and finally click on Done at the bottom. Soon after you do that, from the Choose a Trip menu, select the ride you want to use for your Uber and click on the Choose button at the bottom. And when the driver accepts the ride, the route will include each stop in the order you entered. During the ride, if you need to change a stop, you can do so via the app's trip details screen. So that's how you can easily add a stop on Uber ride. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.